Tonight, it is a Friday night.
We're gonna go party.
We don't have anybody at our house tonight. We have somebody checking in tomorrow. I am sitting here stressing because there are a handful of things that guests have pointed out I know I need to fix before October comes. It is September 26th, and we are so close to this baby being here. But I'm going out for the night. I'm sleeping on the couch in a hoodie. I don't want to ruin anything. I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna do what I need to do, and then I'm gonna come home. So it's like I'm not even gone.
But my parents are not here to help because they are unwell. My sister is in Hawaii with her entire family. Your sister's kids may have hand, foot, mouth. And the only person that can drive me besides like a friend is Michael's mom, who we asked to spend the night in Orange County tonight, just in case something happens overnight.
Yeah.
Which it's not gonna happen.
She was already in town,
but
we just asked her to extend her trip. So we're
covered.
Backup redundancies. We're good. So I need to get on the road.
Yeah.
Because it's 7:30.
And by the time you get there, it'll be 9:30.
It'll be 10 o'clock.
We had so many plans for this weekend, but this is very important.
Making sure our business is good and things are prepared for the next month while we're gone.
Yes, and you can watch me meal prep. That's something I did all night tonight. I should have actually filmed it, but I'll show you in the morning, and help me clean up the house. Let's do that.
Let's do it. All right.
Get things in order for this little guy. Any minute now.
No, don't say that. We still got 2 weeks. All right, let's go. Well, that back door was unlocked, which is terrifying. So the big one is not working. The big one. And I came out here and I was like, I wonder what's going on. It is not connected anymore at all. And it looks like the water and some animal dug down in here. Oh, man. That's fun. I hope somebody didn't break that off because that should not be like that. That really sucks. But we have 2 that are not working. That one. And then there's one in the back there that I will fix in the morning. But all these other ones look good. All the cactus and everything look good, so that's good. It's always fun. Always fun. I cannot make this up. I went to Home Depot. I was looking at the caulking that I needed. Clear. I swear I grabbed clear, and I was just about to pump this out, and I was like, what color is this? What does that say? What does that say right there? It says white. Come on, Michael. Oh my gosh. Well, I can't do this now. Well, on to the next thing, I guess. First step on my two-day check on things. Since I messed up the silicone, let's see how this guy's doing. Looks good. Feels hot. I kind of want to go in. Dang. There we go. Yeah, I mean, this looks great. No complaints over here. On to the next one. Oh, man. At least we can replace the light. This is not good. Not very good. Oh, I think this light might burn out. That's crazy, it's just all black. Let's swap the light temporarily until I can figure out a better permanent solution. I think like it's not gonna go anywhere. And as long as nobody touches it, I think it's fine. Let's move on. This guy, it's actually still in the ground pretty well. This one's not too far in the bush. But I will have to take the staple out. Oh, okay, there we go. Now that bulb's dead. Come on, baby. Just be the bulb. Just be, yes. If I can just get this back in. Okay. Honestly, not mad at that. Okay, still in there pretty good. I think we're good. I think I'm gonna not touch it. Not overcomplicate it. Okay, well, this is looking good, so. I cannot believe this. Can you see all of that green? All of that grass is growing back because of all the rain we had. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Spring Michael. Spring Michael is gonna have to deal with that. It's gonna be tough. Also, these cornhole games are getting absolutely thrashed. I need to put it. Future Michael, remember to order new ones because these ones have been thrashed.
Great rising. Michael is at the house and we are at our house. So Finn and I have put on our Taylor Swift sweatshirts. Just kidding, just me. We are 38 weeks pregnant today, and I'm gonna take Finn on his morning walkie to our favorite coffee shop. I've been moving a lot more in the mornings. Michael took me on a 30-minute walk yesterday. We're just trying to maneuver this little guy out as naturally and on his own time as possible, but also just come give him a little, come on, let's go. So in honor of T Swift's release week, we'll be wearing 1989. Okay, let's go get a coffee and then let's curl up and read a book because it's a cloudy morning here and there might be some rain later. It's feeling very fall, but also very humid. We're in California, it's fine. I will take weather, okay? All right, let's go.
Okay, so here's where we're at. The moons, I just simply replaced the bulbs. I do want to figure out a way to permanently secure the big one in the ground, but for now, it's on a mound. It's not going anywhere unless somebody picks it up and does something with it, but I'm praying that people don't do that. The barbecue, I thought we were out of propane. There's still like 2 tanks that are half full. I don't know why they both have some. People like switch the tanks out, but they're fine. I'm so bummed with how much grass is growing out here. This usually doesn't happen until like February, and I just turned off all the sprinklers because it's cooling down. It's like cold at night. Right now, yeah, it's gonna rain at 8 a.m., which is crazy. It's getting down into the 50s at night, 50s and 60s. They're desert plants, they'll survive. And then there's a bunch of sand everywhere from the rain that I wanna clean off. I do wanna run to Home Depot and get that sealant because I do wanna, like that was one of the main reasons. I don't want that door to get ruined, especially if we get another heavy rain. Get out of here, but everything else is looking good. Feeling good about the house. I'm just gonna keep cruising. Kristen and I have been prepping for the baby to be here, and we've been prepping like a bunch of breakfast, dinner stuff. We started doing a meal service that's like all organic so that we can have food delivered so we're not too stressed. And we started making these little egg bites, like the kind you get at Starbucks. It's basically, I forget what it is. It's like egg, Greek yogurt, blended, and then you put like spinach, like sausage or bacon, or you can put cheese, like whatever you want in it. Very grateful that we've been prepping for the baby because I get prepped breakfast. I know we shouldn't be eating it right now, but it's pretty good. Maybe I'll run down to the builder supply down the street. It's more expensive and everything, but it's so much closer. I want to do everything I came here to do so that I'm not worried about the house. I think that might be the move. So I'm gonna eat my egg bites that Kristen lovingly prepared for me, and then we're gonna hit the road. All right, builder supply, had it, clear. Grab a matcha real quick from Desierto Alto. I washed my car because I was like, I want to have a clean car when we take our baby home. I don't know why, there's something about me that's like, when my car is clean, my life is together and I have my things together. Our new place has a garage. So I was like, I'll wash my car, put it in the garage. We'll run to and from places. It won't be that big of a deal. Now I'm out here. It's raining. It rained on my way here last night, and now it's raining right now. I might have to wash my car again, just so our little guy has a clean car that he's coming home. I don't know. Is that stupid? Is that silly of me? But yeah, I'm gonna go across the street to Desierto Alto. I don't even know if I said that right. I think it's the closest coffee shop. So I'm gonna stop and get some sort of caffeine in me, and then I'm gonna go do this, and then I think that's it. I think that I'm good. Let's get to work. Let's seal this baby. What we didn't show you last time was when we had that giant rainstorm, we noticed that there was water coming in because the wind was blowing the rain at the door. The water was seeping in through where the glass meets the wood. So we put so much time and effort to make sure this door was in. So we wanted to make sure it's protected and it's not going to get ruined, especially going into the winter months. So that's why we're doing this. We just want to make sure it's waterproof. You can see the silicone, but I don't think it's too big of a deal. Like, you can see it, but when you're back here, like, you can't really see it at all. But at least this way, it's just waterproof for if it rains. Okay, now the very last thing I need to do, I need to go get our trail cam footage because I love it. I don't know if you guys like it, but like, it's been so cool to just see what animals are in the area. We let it sit for a few weeks and catch little things. And I'm waiting to catch an alien. Is that too much to ask to catch like an alien or Bigfoot just like walking by? So yeah, I'm gonna grab that and then I think we're good to go. I think we're done here. Starting to sprinkle over a little bit, but the weather is so nice right now. I figured out that the coyotes run and the animals run up and down our property from the wash that's all the way over there. So they come across here. So I got it set up right here to capture all that. Just a ton of coyotes. There are so many coyotes. Like there's a pack of coyotes that just runs this area. Super cool to see all that. Let us know in the comments down below if you like the trail cam. I wanna figure out the right location. Maybe I can leave some water out to attract animals. I don't know if that's a good thing, but it's on the back of the property. Yeah, I want to catch snakes. I haven't seen any snakes on the trail cam, which I'm like super curious about. Maybe they're too slow for the motion to pick it up. But anyways, I just remembered to check our guest book, and there's a new message in here. This is so cool. If you guys don't have a guest book, I recommend you getting one because like, look at how cool this is. Really enjoyed our stay here. We loved every corner of the house. The decorations are so cool. The backyard is unique and relaxing. It was a nice weekend getaway to celebrate our anniversary. But like, look, they drew a little car, and like throughout our book, like people have drawn like the trees and the stars, and people have left like photos in there. It's so cool just to see that we have like pretty much a full book of memories. Like this is from 2022. That's crazy. So that one's pretty much full. So we're gonna need to get into the next one, right? I don't think anyone's written in this one yet. So we'll start that one. We got this one from Airbnb. So we'll swap out this one when it's full with that one, but it's just sitting there just in case. So yeah, do a guest book. It's really cool. All right, I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. I think we're good. Bye, house. Love you. Bye, house. Love you. Thanks for our guests. I'm just kidding. I had to come back for you.